It's been quite a while since I've done a project like this. I think this is my largest project yet, in wood at least. It took quite a long time. After cutting and sanding all the pieces, it took ages to put in all the holes for all the dowels and also the cam screws. But I got them in the end. I was pretty happy with it. After sliding them all together, sort of before it was shipped to the clients, I sort of made sure it all fit together where it was locally. And it came out pretty good, I must admit. I'm pretty happy how that came out so far. It's quite a vast unit. It's about 2.4 meters by 2.1 meters. When it came to assembling on site, it was not the beautiful time lapse I was hoping for. The low quality cam screws kept breaking, and that was a bit of a pain. But I did get there in the end. It was a nice project for someone in Bethnal Green, and I'm pretty happy with it. Tell me what you think in the comments below.